Black body. Black body. This is a very very important topic. Black body. What is a black body? Which all looks like black that are all are not a black bodies as per the science. Now, what is a black body? A body absorbs all wavelength of incident radiations. Radiation as a which nature? Wave nature. Means if it is a black body. Now let us. It looks like a black. It is not a black body. Looks like a block. If the radiations, which one? Thermal radiation. What is the wavelength of thermal radiation? The range is 400 nanometers to 80,000 nanometers. That all are incident, all are absorbed. Means it is absorbed from 400 nanometers to 80,000 nanometer wavelength incident on it if it is absorbs. And also emits. Emits which one? 400 nanometers to 80,000 nanometer radiations if it is emits. It is called as a black body. It is called as a black body. Means it is emits all bodies, it emits all wavelength of the radiation? No. When we can warm up, if it is heated, slowly gives the radiation. Means absorbs all the wavelength of the radiation and also emits all wavelength of the radiation. It is called as a black body. Again the definition. A body absorbs all wavelength of incident radiations and also emits all wavelength of radiation is called black body. In the nature around us, in nature, perfect black bodies not exist. In the nature, perfect black body is not there. It is not a perfect black body. If it is heat, it is burns. It is a black, but it is burns. Some of my hair also looks like black, but it is not a black body. It is also burns. This is a black body, but it is not a perfect black body. It is a good black, but not perfect black. Perfect black body is different. Okay. In nature, perfect black bodies not exist, but good black bodies are exist. Good black bodies are there. What are that are number one, lamp black or platinum black. Lamp black, platinum black. These two are a good black bodies, but not perfect black bodies. These two objects has only 98% of black body nature, but not 100%. Lamp black, platinum black. Both objects has only 98% of black body nature, but not 100%. Now, what is a lamp black? Let us take a candle or otherwise oil lamp. You take a wick. When we can fire it, when it is burns, it gives a smoke. You collect that smoke. That is a good black body. It is how much the nature is there? Only 98%. Otherwise, you take a platinum. The platinum is burns. It is also gives a smoke. You collect that smoke. That is also having how much nature? 98%, but not 100%. All black body, all black color objects are not a black bodies. These black bodies looks like a black color, but not a perfect black body. It must be absorbs all wavelength of the radiation and also emits all wavelength of the radiation. Then only it is called as which one? Black body. Okay? Right. But perfect black body is not in the nature. Good black bodies are exist. The good black bodies are only two. One is lamp black, another one is platinum black. These two objects have only 98% of black body nature. Okay. Radiation. What is it given the example for the radiation in the previous class? The earth receives the heat energy from the sun. Before the scientist Prevost, all are expected the thermal radiation is emitted by the objects which are at high temperatures. Means, what is the example we are taking for the radiation? Sun. Sun temperature is more. That's why all are expected. The radiation is given by only hot objects, but it is wrong. It is proved by scientist Prevost. What he says? He says all bodies means it is a black color. It is not a black color. This body emits the radiation and absorbs the radiation. This object also emits the radiation and absorbs the radiation. This is a piece of chalk. It is also emits the radiation and absorbs the radiation. Finally, VR also emits the radiation. All objects what happen? Emits the radiation and also absorbs the radiation. But condition is there. What is the condition? When that are above the temperature of 0 Kelvin. 0 Kelvin means in degree centigrade how much we want to write? Minus 273.15 degrees centigrade. Minus 273.15 degrees centigrade. It is called 0 Kelvin. If the object is above the 0 Kelvin, 0 Kelvin is the least. Less than that is not available in the nature. Less than 0 Kelvin till now no one is not found. More than 0 Kelvin is there. If the object temperature is more than 0 Kelvin or more than minus 273.15 degrees centigrade, that objects either emits the radiation or absorbs the radiation. Now let us take these are the two objects. This object's temperature you take 20 degrees. This object temperature is 30 degrees centigrade. It is how much? 20. It is 30. So it is emits the radiation. It absorbs the radiation. Why? It is 30. It is 20. Difference is there. It emits the radiation. It absorbs the radiation. Okay. This is 20. And take the piece of chalk. It is 10. It is 20. Now what happened? It is emits the radiation. It is absorbs the radiation. Okay. What I am saying? This is 30 degrees centigrade. This is 20 degrees centigrade. It is 10 degrees centigrade. It emits the radiation. It absorbs the radiation. It emits the radiation. It absorbs the radiation. Now my temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. Now what happened? This duster is absorbs the radiation. In the beginning what I am saying? It emits the radiation. When it is 30 emits the radiation. It is 20 absorbs the radiation. But 10 is there emits the radiation. Means this object, not only this, all the objects emits the radiation, absorbs the radiation. When that are emits, the surrounding temperature is less than it emits the radiation. The surrounding temperature is less, that is emits. The surrounding temperature is more, absorbs. The surrounding temperature, this object in this side temperature is less than it. Okay, less than this, it is emits the radiation. But in this side temperature is more than this, absorb the radiation. That's why all objects emits the radiation, absorbs the radiation when its temperature is more than 0 Kelvin or minus 273.15 degrees centigrade. That's why radiation is a continuous process. For emission and absorption, temperature is more than 0 Kelvin. Okay, it means all the absorbs the radiation. Okay, now absorptive power. Absorptive power. Okay, let us take, this is one object at a given temperature and wavelength. Means here temperature is 20 degrees centigrade. The wavelength, what is the radiation wavelength? 400 nanometers to 80,000 nanometers. Now I am taken as 3000. Whose temperature is 30 degrees and wavelength is 3000 nanometers. At a given temperature and wavelength, ratio of amount of radiation energy absorbed to the amount of radiation incident in the wavelength range is called absorptive power. Now what is the meaning of that? This one object. This temperature, what I am saying, 30 degrees. What is the wavelength I am saying? 3000. That is incident. It is absorbed. This absorption is divided by this value. This absorption divided by this value is called absorptive power. Okay, here 30 degrees is there, 3000 nanometer is there, that is incident. It is absorbed. Means whatever the absorption, it is divided by this value is called absorptive power. Means how much is incident, it is absorbs, yes, but absorbs total value. Answer is 1. So it is a perfect black body. If it is not a black body, let us take this. Okay, 30 degrees, 3000 nanometer, incident, but totally it is not absorbs. It is totally not absorbs. Why it is not a black body? It is absorbs some part only. That's why the value is less than 1. Are you followed? Now absorptive power. Okay. Definition of absorptive power and the value of it. Absorptive power symbol is A lambda. A lambda is called how much? 1 for perfect black body. If it is not a black body, another bodies, how much the value of that? Less than 1. Less than 1. Now you see lamp black and platinum black. For lamp black and platinum black, how much A lambda value? A lambda is 1 for perfect black body, means 100%. 100% means 100 by 100. For a lamp black and platinum black, what about A lambda? A lambda is equal to 98 by 100. 98 by 100 is how much? 0.98. Okay, is it clear? Absorptive power. And similarly, we want to discuss another definition, that is emissive power. Emissive power. The emission is emitted. Emissive power is emitted. The rate of emission of radiation through unit cross-sectional area of the object is called emissive power. Okay, in the next class, we will discuss about emissive power, and then after we will discuss the remaining topics which are related to the thermal radiation and also black body. Okay, is it clear about black body? Black body means absorbs all wavelength of the radiation and also emits the all wavelength of the radiation. Okay, as per Prevost, all the bodies emits the radiation and absorbs the radiation when that are above the temperature of 0 Kelvin. Next, absorptive power. Symbol is A lambda. A lambda is equal to 1 for perfect black body. For other bodies, A lambda is less than 1. So, lamp black and platinum black, what we are studying, that are good black bodies but not perfect black bodies. That's why for lamp black and platinum black, how much A lambda? A lambda is equal to 0.98.